Hi, Deadlock's here again, and I want to see how long I can actually be serious for and actually give this a proper try.
You be serious?
It happens.
When?
Sometimes.
In 12 years, I don't think I've seen it once.
Well, you're about to see it. I'm going to be serious, hopefully for a whole half a second. I think it's going to have to be longer than that. But I can wish.
The world
Anyway,
might come to an end.
Once again, I'm going to start at 5. I definitely didn't fail and cut it out. That was... Okay.
No, never do that.
So, I'm going to start at 5. Oh, this is slow. Oh, this is slow. Okay. I'm going to keep that take, but I'm going to reset and try again because I got a bit hung up.
You can do it!
Okay, starting at 5. I have no idea how I done that.
Magic.
Starting at 5. Take 5,000. That might have been a decent one. On 5. Grr. On 5. That may have been good. I don't know. We'll have to check back. We'll see. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!